Hey, it's Lisa Hanley with RE/MAX Advantage Plus and the Hanley Advantage team. And a lot of questions are coming this way about what's happening in the market. So if you are looking at buying a home or if you are looking at selling a home, I wanted to give you some information about what has happened within our brokerage this last week and also since the 1st of February. So I've been out showing homes this week and it's literally been crazy. My husband commented that it looked at one place like they were giving away free Starbucks because it was so crazy. Another place looked like a garage sale because it was so crazy. And the price points at the crazy open houses, crazy showings, it's not just the 350 and below. It's up into that 450 price point too, that we are just seeing lots and lots of people taking a look at houses. We're seeing multiple offers on townhomes, single families, and single family homes that are up into the 500s, so 500s, 600s. So we're seeing multiple offer situations. People are out looking for homes. So if you're thinking about listing, it's a great time to list. And if you are worried about where you're going to go after you've listed your home, I've never left anybody homeless. And we've always been able to find a house. And there's different things that we do to help find a house. We find off-sale homes. I will go knock on doors in certain neighborhoods that you want to stay at. So you just have to think outside the box. And so I don't want you to be discouraged about not being able to find a home if you're thinking about listing your home, because it's just such a great time to list, and definitely want to get in there before the interest rates do continue to rise throughout this year. But let me tell you a little bit about what's happening. So since the 1st of the year, offers within our brokerage, the inspections were waived 46% of the time. So when putting in an offer, 46% of the offers that were accepted had the inspections waived. 12% of homes were sold off market, which is what, like I said, I do try to find for my buyers, is if we can find some off market ones. So 12% of sales were off market. 69% of the accepted offers, were accepted as conventional. 0 VA loan offers were accepted, which to me is a really kind of sad number because our vets deserve it. And it's one of those things that if you are a vet, don't let that discourage you. I can help you through the VA loan process and help you get your offer accepted if you are a vet. So don't let that discourage you. Cash offers are about 17% of the accepted offers. FHA were 5%, USDA 3%, and then other situations were at the 5%. But only 5% of homes were accepted if you were contingent on the sale of your home. So here's the situation. Again, things that we can talk about. We have ways to be able to help you look at cash offers. And again, thinking outside the box so that you don't have to go contingent on the sale of your home. And there is a difference between contingent on the sale of your home and contingent on the closing of your home. So we can talk about that a little bit more too. And then as for appraisal gaps, just this last week, 20% of the accepted offers did have an appraisal gap. And what that appraisal gap means is that it's saying if you offered $550 for it, and the appraisal gap you said is that you would cover $5,000 of the appraisal gap, so that if the appraisal came in at $545, you already agreed to pay that difference and not go back to the negotiation table. So that's the appraisal gap that they're talking about. So we're seeing anywhere between $5,000 to $30,000 in appraisal gap. Ask me questions on that. We can talk more about that if you want to know more about that. And as for escalation clauses, so escalation clauses was something that in 2020 really worked. 2021, beginning of, worked pretty well. Right now, we're only seeing 6% of the offers accepted have an escalation clause. So a lot of people are just saying no to the escalation clause and just put your best foot forward. So just wanted to give you that information. If you are thinking about selling, thinking about buying, give me a call, 612-390-6520. Have a great day.